Hi everyone, this is Sybil, your skin fitness expert, and I'm going to be talking to you about how to use your Awaken device from TAMA in your final step of your 3-step facelift system. So if you haven't watched the other two, do make sure you go find them. This is the third video in the facelift. Now, if you only care about kind of lifting your eyes and lifting this area, feel free to just watch this part, but who doesn't want to lift their whole face and their jawline? Everybody wants to. Okay, so let's talk about the final section of your facelift. So what you need is your Awaken device. Your Awaken device. You also need either 4 of the small ones. So the 4 of the small ones work the best, but I almost never have 4 of these little small ones. I almost always have 2 of them. So I almost always use 2 of these, and then I'll just pull out 2 more of my little round ones and then just put them here and be like, oh, bam. Because there's enough room on the face for like these ones to be here. Okay, so that's how I roll, because I already have this set up, and I'll just be like, whatever, I'm moving to this one now. But if you have 2 of these and then you want to put 2 more here because you got that set up, go to town, my peeps. That's what you can do, my posse. All right, so let's go ahead and set up. All right, so what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn this on. And we're going to move to mode 2. I want to do mode 2 for this. So we're going to move to mode 2, and we want to keep the intensity at a 3 or 4 level. Okay, 3 or 4 level. All right. Once again, how you know what level you need to be is because if you feel a lot of tingling, you're too high. So drop it down to that 3. If you're at the 3 and you're like, I think I can go to 4, feel free to try 4. It's your call. It's whatever you think that your skin can tolerate, but understand that more is not better. Less is more with TAMA devices, okay? So that's where we're gonna be. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and place these, okay? Our placement of these is at the eye on the bone, so not in the eye orbital area, on the bone, right kind of where you're like, where the eye kind of crinkles, right? Where the crinkles are, where you're like little like, where you're like, oh no, this is where I get my creases, right? So like, that's where I get them. And then we're gonna stick them, once again, if you watch the other video, on that evil nasolabial fold area. Ugh, it's the devil, right? We're gonna put them there. You have to do this while sitting up. Don't do it while lying down. You have to do this while sitting up, because if you lie down, you're not getting the weight, and you need the weight, okay? So I like to kind of like jam it up in there. And then you need to have your cables, your little connectors, on red, black, and red, black. Okay, so they're even on both sides. So it's red, red, black, black. It's very rare that you're going to be even Steven, but it is red, red, black, black. So red, red, black, black. All right, that's how we're going to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and do this particular modality. You're going to do it for 10 minutes once a week. 10 minutes once a week. All right. And you can start this one at any time during the kind of the process. I like to kind of start it. I kind of like to start it like a week after I start my TAMA Bella. Okay. And a little bit before I start doing my TAMA Derma, because it's part of the TAMA Derma. But I like to start it first, because like, and then I get into this area last, okay? That's kind of my jam. But you can actually start it any time in the process. So hopefully you're looking at the 3-step system. It's all kind of a facelift. Once you do that, your face is getting all of it. You do a lymphatic drainage on that every single day, and you've got everything you want in your life. You've got a facelift, you got lymphatic drainage, run lymphatic drainage afterwards, and it's like you got the best skin you could possibly have with TAMA. You're gonna start glowing and lifting and firming. All right. Is it the same as seeing an esthetician? People always ask me. It's not the same, but you are doing the best you can at home, and you've got a lot of tools at your disposal, because you are getting a lot of lifting and firming. Is it the same as like when we go in and we actually like retrain the muscles very specifically, because we'll actually take probes and like retrain the muscles very specifically where they need to go? It's not the same, but It's the best that you can do with the tools that you have at your disposal. And it's better than not having those tools, because this is a super powerful tool. It is amazing. And what it can do on the body is pretty darn amazing too. So I'll get into those videos next. Take care, guys. Bye.